In last video we saw fundamental purpose of yoga poses and also how it helps in betterment of the physical and mental health. Now let's see practical approach towards yoga poses. So let's begin. Hello, welcome to Jnanarogya English. First shlok of Dvitiyopadesh in Ghiranda Samhita says Asanani samastani yavanto jivajantavaha chaturashiti lakshani shivena kathitani cha, which means total number of asanas existing is equal to total number of creatures existing on earth. Adiyogi Shiva has given 84 lakh yoga poses out of that. And second shlok says Tesham madhya vishishtani shodashonam shatam kritam Tesham madhya martya loke dvatrim shadasanam shubham, which means out of that 84 asanas are important and 32 out of that are useful for ordinary people. In this video we are going to see 6 out of these and 3 others that will fulfill the minimal requirement of healthy mind and body. Do practice these asanas regularly but after expert's guidance. There are in all 4 poses in which these asanas can be practiced. Supine pose, prone pose, sitting pose, standing pose. Let's see 2 or 3 asanas in each of these poses. Do practice these yoga poses taking into consideration your age and health status. So let's have a look at it. First, Dvipad Uttan Padasana. While inhaling and without folding legs in knees, lift both the legs at 90 degrees from lumbar. Hold it in position and continue slow breathing. While exhaling, without folding legs in knees, take down both the legs to the ground. Second, Pavan Muktasana. From supine position, inhaling, raise both the legs 90 degrees from lumbar. Hold legs in knees and take legs over abdomen. Keep knees and feet joined. Embrace both the legs tightly by hands, pressing them over abdomen and chest. Lift the head, bend the neck and try to touch chin between knees. Breathe slowly while in Pavan Muktasana. While releasing asana, first take the head to the ground. Take hands to the original position. Take legs to Dvipad Uttana Padasana. Exhaling, take legs to the ground in supine position. Third, Saralhasta Bhujangasana. From prone position, hands upright near chest, touch forehead to the ground. Inhaling, lift the portion of the body from head to lumbar till hands become straight in elbows. Take neck curving behind as much as possible. Breathe slowly while in Cobra pose. Exhaling slowly, bending hands in elbow, take the lifted part of the body down, touching forehead to the ground. Come to the prone position, touching chin to the ground. Fourth, Dhanurasana. From prone position, bend legs in knees, keeping knees little apart. Hold both the legs at ankle by hands, touch forehead to the ground. Inhaling, lift the whole body upward except belly button. Creating opposite pulling force in hands and legs, try to form an arc of the body. Breathe normally while in bow pose. Exhaling, take the whole body to the ground, touching forehead and knees to the ground. Touch chin to the ground and both hands near waist to the ground. Straighten legs in knees and take legs to the prone position. Fifth, Ekpada Shalabhasana. From prone position, inhaling, raise left leg upward without bending knees. Breathe normally while in asana position. Exhaling, slowly take left leg to the ground. Same way do it by right leg. Sixth, Paschimottanasana. From sitting pose, exhaling, hold big toes with hands and bend forward. Try to touch forehead to the knees. Breathe normal while in asana position. Inhaling, raise head and body and take hands for returning to the sitting position. Seventh, Ardhamastendrasana. From sitting pose, lifting left leg, place it near right knee, crossing over it. Bend right leg in knees and take heels near buttock. Taking right hand between left thigh and chest and try to grab big toe of the left leg. Exhaling and encircling waist with the left hand, turn shoulders and neck to left as much as possible. Breathe normally while in complete pose. Take neck in original position. Take hands to their initial position. Straighten the right leg, straighten left leg and resume sitting pose. Repeat it for opposite side in the same way. 8. Trikonasana. From standing pose, lifting the left leg, put it to left side as far as possible. Turn left foot in 90° outward. Exhaling, bend knees in right angle and bending in waist. Keep left palm beside and behind left foot. Move the right hand towards head in circular motion and keep its arm touching to right ear and keeping right hand straight in elbow. Continue normal breathing. Inhaling, return back to standing pose in reverse manner as in video. Repeat it from other side. And 9th, Virasana. From standing pose, lift the left leg and place it away from right leg in front of the body. Place hands in Namaskar pose on left knee and bend legs 90 degrees in knees. Keep right leg straight in knees. Raise both the hands as it is, upward and backward. Try to make arc of the body and keep your eyes open to balance the body. Return back to standing pose in reverse manner as in video. Repeat it from other side. 6 of these asanas are from Gheranda Samhita and 3 are from different references. Better health, at least do these asanas. As far as possible, try to fix your place and time for the practice. Hope you like this video and there are more to come on Jnanarogya playlist of asanas. All the best from my side for your health. Thanks a lot.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share the video. Also subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will be notified first for each new video.